Industry X is about making the current industrial revolution happen and preparing for the future ones. With each of these revolutions, manufacturing becomes safer, more efficient, and more sustainable. As part of the digital manufacturing and operations team, our role is to digitize the entire manufacturing and plant operations. By programming robotics and factory automation, we are boosting safety and productivity. The manufacturing execution systems that we develop offer their users accurate and real-time information based on data stored in the cloud and use AI to help the staff make better decisions. By using water and energy more efficiently, we reduce the factory's carbon footprint. At Industry X, we commit to lead the next wave of transformation for our clients, shifting to more responsible and more sustainable businesses. This is what it's like to work at the heart of change.